Woodworkers have been using table saws since 1810, and taper jigs have probably been around since 1811. For 210 years, not much has been done to make the taper jig more versatile or more accurate. Well, that has just changed. Introducing the Woodpeckers Precision Taper Jig. We've added repeatability, safety, and accuracy to this centuries-old tool. Two matching anodized extrusions are joined together by a reinforced nylon hinge. On the opposite end, a push plate captures the end of your stock and pushes it through the saw. What sets Woodpeckers Precision Taper Jig above all the rest is right here. The Precision Taper Jig comes with two scales. One sets angles from 0 to 7 degrees in quarter-degree increments. The other sets angles from 0 to 15 degrees in half-degree increments. For anything that lands between the lines, or even wider angles, the clamping bar will hold the jig by itself without the angle index. Accuracy and safety are enhanced by the MDF sled and quick release clamps. The clamps are simple to use no matter what your project calls for, with a clamping range from 3 inches down to 17/32 of an inch. The clamping handles also serve double duty as convenient gripping points for pushing the jig. And the MDF sled eliminates any worry about bottom side tear out. For wider stock, you can either make a larger sacrificial sled or remove the sled and ride the Precision Taper Jig straight on the table. It's also completely reversible, allowing you to cut tapers on both sides of the blade. If the 32-inch capacity of our standard taper jig isn't quite enough, well, don't worry, because there's an optional extension kit. In a couple minutes, you can take your Precision Taper Jig up to a full 48-inch capacity. The push plate, clamping blocks, and MDF sleds are all made from materials that won't damage your saw blade and are easily replaced. Woodpeckers Precision Taper Jig takes your furniture designs to a whole new level of sophistication by making tapers repeatable, more accurate, and safer. Order yours today.